Hello students, today we are going to read the chapter number 5 of history, that is kingdoms, kings and an early republic. So for the first topic in this chapter is how some men became rulers. How the people they become rulers. So it is said that by doing some activities, some rajas or some powerful men they become the rulers. The first one is by performing very big sacrifices. They have to perform very big sacrifice to become a ruler. One such sacrifice is the Ashwamedha or the horse sacrifice. So Ashwamedha, Ashw क्या होता है? Horse. Ashwamedha sacrifice is the horse sacrifice. What is done in this ritual? In this, a horse was let loose to wander, and while wandering, if the horse enters the kingdoms of the other rajas and they stopped it, then they had to fight. कि अगर उन्होंने उसके हॉर्स को रोक लिया देन दे हैड टू फाइट. बट इफ़ दे अलाउड द हॉर्सेस टू पास फ्रीली, अगर दूसरे किंगडम ने उसके हॉर्स को फ्रीली जाने दिया, इट मीन्स दे एक्सेप्टेड दैट द राजाज हु वांटेड टू परफॉर्म द सेक्रीफाइस वाज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन देम. इट मीन्स उन्होंने मान लिया कि जिस राजा के ये हॉर्स है वो उनसे स्ट्रॉन्गर है एंड द वांटेड टू सेक्रीफाइस. Then these rajas they were invited to the sacrifice also, and the sacrifices were performed by the trained priests. Priests क्या होते हैं? Priests होते हैं those who are very much skilled and specially trained. Priest, pujari. Sacrifices were performed by the trained priests by sprinkling sacred water. Sacred water means जो pure water होता है उनके ऊपर sprinkle किया जाता है. Then they perform the sacrifices and in return these priests they receive gift from the rulers. Then in this sacrifice, Raja central figure. Raja was the central figure and had a special seat on a throne. He had the special seat to sit. His companions in the battle, his companions means उसके साथी जो battle में उसके साथ रहे हैं, they chanted tales of his glory. Tales of his glory means उसकी praise में वो singing करते हैं during the ritual. Then several minor rituals were performed by his wives and sons. कुछ और minor rituals होते हैं जो उसकी wives और sons जो हैं perform करते हैं. So this is the process how some men became rulers. जो कुछ men हैं, राजा हैं, वो rulers कैसे बन जाते हैं? परफॉर्म सेक्रीफाइस करते हैं. सेक्रीफाइस में वो क्या सेक्रीफाइस करते हैं? अश्वमेधा और हॉर्स सेक्रीफाइसेस आर डन एंड दीज आर डन बाय द ट्रेन्ड प्रीस्ट एंड बाय स्प्रिंकलिंग वाटर ऑन देम. Raja is the central figure in this sacrifice and his companions they chanted the tales of his glory and all the other peoples are invited to attend the sacrifice. And the next is Varnas. The next is Varnas. Varnas are the next is Varnas. So there were several groups in the society at this time. These were priests, warriors, farmers, herders, laborers, etc. But they were divided into several groups. The priests divided these people into groups and they are known as Varnas. These groups are known as Varnas. First Varna is known as the Brahmins. Brahmins they were used to study and teach Vedas. वो वेदास को पढ़ते थे और पढ़ाते थे and they performed the sacrifices and they received gifts in return. So Brahmins were the first Varna. Second Varna is rulers. They were also known as Kshatriyas. उनको Kshatriyas भी कहा जाता था because they fight battles and protect their people. Because जो rulers थे वो battles लड़ते थे और अपने लोगों को बचाते थे. Then come the Vaishyas, which is the third category, third Varna. Farmers, herders and traders comes under the Vaishyas. Kshatriyas and Vaishyas could perform sacrifices. Kshatriyas और Vaishyas जो हैं वो sacrifice perform कर सकते हैं जो कि Brahmins करते हैं. All these categories, 3 categories can participate in the sacrifices. Then last come the Shudras. दे सर्व द अबव 3 ग्रुप्स, इन 3 ग्रुप्स को वो सर्व करते हैं, इनके लिए वो काम करते हैं. And could not perform any rituals. They cannot perform any ritual and they cannot even participate in the rituals performed by the other 3 groups. So these 4 are the Varnas. What are Varnas? Varnas are the groups of the people, and these Varnas were on the basis of their birth. Priests said that these groups were divided on the basis of the birth. Brahmins study and teach Vedas and perform sacrifices. Rulers also protect the people and fight battles. Vaishyas, these were farmers, herders, and Shudras, they serve the other 3 groups. Next comes the Janpadas. Janpada means the land where the Jana set its foot and settled down. Jana means, what is the meaning of Jana in Hindi? Jan is a Hindi word that is people. जहाँ लोगों ने अपने पैर रखे और सेटल हो गए, दैट प्लेस इज नोन एज जनपदा. जनपदा में लोग क्या करते थे? ग्रीव क्रॉप्स सच एज राइस, व्हीट, पल्सेस, शुगर केन एट्सेट्रा. वो ये क्रॉप्स ग्रो करते थे. मेड अर्दन पॉट्स, अर्दन मीन्स मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाते थे, मिट्टी के पॉट्स बनाते थे. एंड व्हाट? ग्रे एंड रेड इन कलर. मोस्टली दे वर ग्रे एंड रेड इन कलर. दीज पॉट्स वर ग्रे एंड रेड इन कलर. बट वन स्पेशल पोट्री found at this site that is known as painted grey ware. As we come from the name painted grey ware, it was grey in color with lines and patterns. Geometrical patterns were drawn and lines were drawn, and this is a special kind of pottery that is painted grey ware. So this is Janpada, means the land where the people settle their foot and settle down. They grow crops, they make earthen pots, and these are some earthen pots were special with lines and geometrical patterns. Then comes the Mahajanpadas. Mahajanpadas means important Janpadas were known as Mahajanpadas. We know that one is city and one is a major cities. कुछ cities होते हैं, कुछ ज़्यादा special cities होते हैं जो administrative cities होते हैं. So cities are known as Janpadas and major cities they are known as Mahajanpadas, which were more powerful. Mahajanpadas were always fortified. Fortified means they were covered by the huge walls of wood, brick or stone around them. Fortified means कि huge walls of brick, स्टोन और वुड वर बिल्ट अराउंड देम. महाजनपदास के चारों तरफ जो है वुड और स्टोन की और ब्रिक्स की दीवारें खड़ी कर दी जाती थी और पूरे शहर को जो है फोर्टिफाइड कर दिया जाता था. फोर्ट्स बिल्ट फोर्ट्स फॉर प्रोटेक्शन. हेयर रूलर्स बिल्ट फोर्ट्स. वो फोर्ट्स क्यों बनाते थे? फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन, बिकॉज दे कैन नॉट बी अटैक्ड बाय द अदर रूलर्स, ताकि उनके लोगों को और उनको जो है बचाया जा सके, सो दैट दे कैन नॉट बी अटैक्ड बाय द रूलर्स ऑफ द अदर किंगडम्स. टू शो देयर पावर, समटाइम्स द रूलर्स दे बिल्ट टॉल एंड इम्प्रेसिव बिल्डिंग्स. बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स बनाते थे टू शो देयर हाउ रिच एंड पावरफुल दे आर. दिस इज़ टू डू हाउ रिच एंड पावरफुल, कि वो कितने अमीर और कितने पावरफुल हैं. टू शो देयर पावर दे बिल्ट द फोर्ट्स. And to do all these things, they needed huge labor and planning and resources. Huge labor. They need thousands of men and women to do such work. And they have to plan this thing. And they need resources like bricks, cement, wood, stone, etc. to make all these cities fortified, to make the forts or to make the tall and impressive buildings. They had to do planning, and they need resources, and they also need very huge labor.